going to get a special behind the scenes look at the setup of the 2026 San Diego International Auto Show. We've got the Corsair here, the cars and vans. Okay. So as you can see, everything's raw. They just started bringing in to get just a quick glimpse at what is happening behind. Okay, so we just left the Chevy display. And we've got Kia over here to the right. And we've got Ford. And we have a black one here at the LA Auto Show in November. Stunning. Right here we have Toyotas again that I wish that they still had, but they don't. Let's get a look under the hood here. Okay, so this is the Sentra. So just in contrast, Sentras used to be much, much smaller than they are now. And this is ID Buzz. We have Honda. So we have some nice Hondas here. I can't wait until this is finished. We've got Airstreams here. So if you're interested in camping, you've got some interesting choices to look at here. There's some swag right there. Over here, we've got some EVs. I believe this is a Nissan. This is the Nissan Leaf. And over here we have the V right here. And let's get a look at the front, because we didn't look at the front side of the other one. So let's take a look at this one. Front side of the ID Buzz. And that will be here tomorrow. And for the next 4 days, we have a Hummer here. So let's take a look at the Hummer. And we have the Honda Prologue to the left. Vehicles. I believe this is the Lucid Gravity. I saw this at the LA Auto Show back in November of 2025. This is the Lucid Gravity. Yes, it sure is. And let's get a front view of the Lucid. An excellent job of bringing out the color of the Lucid. Over here, we have some more EVs, so let's take a look. So right here, these Woodies, very, very beautiful. This is a Chrysler. It's like a Chevy Bel Air there. Very beautiful. And we've got some more, so let's move back a bit. Hot rod back here. It's got the Honda Exhibit next to it. This is a Honda Odyssey minivan. And next to it right here, we've got the Honda Pilot. Oh, and this right here, this is the Honda Prelude. Let's zoom in a bit and take a look at the Honda Prelude. Beautiful red color. Car. So this is the all-new Honda Prelude. So you will see this at the auto show. All right. So we're back over here with VWs, a little bigger, or smaller, I should say. This is actually the side. Here we have the Jeep Gladiator. So let's see if I'm correct. From this point on, until they decide otherwise, will be a hybrid. And this is a sharp-looking SUV. It's got brawnier looks. Let's take a look at the front end. A quick peek at the dash. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed my behind-the-scenes look at the setup of the San Diego International Auto Show. We hope to see you here at the auto show, and we'll have more info and more cars, and it'll be interesting to see what it looks like once everything is set up. So thank you for watching,